Hello, welcome to Business Zero to Superhero, your one-stop shop for everything entrepreneurial. I'm Graham Jules, and in this video we'll be looking at how to get PUW token or any other token on Cardano. Sourcing new tokens on the Cardano blockchain has never been easier. In a few clicks, you can have hot tokens sitting in your wallet. Here goes. So if you're new to crypto, Cardano is a cryptocurrency blockchain created by ex-Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. The native token for Cardano is ADA. ADA can be used much like a digital currency to transact on the network. The great thing about Cardano is developers can create or mint their own tokens within the Cardano ecosystem. These tokens can be used to pass value to users, members, or associates. Cardano tokens can be bought and exchanged or swapped on platforms called decentralized exchanges or DEXs. Money can be made by buying and selling tokens on DEXs and keeping any profit. PUW is a token created by me. I'm Pop-Up World founder Graham Jules. The token is essentially a cryptocurrency for entrepreneurs that allows users to transact on the platform Pop-Up World, enabling them to access apps, store value, and fund their projects. As discussed, it's possible to buy and sell PUW and retain profit. If you're new to crypto, DEXs may be a bit overwhelming, so we're going to show you a quick method to get your hands on the Pop-Up World token, PUW, and any other token on the Cardano network. Step 1. First, you'll need some ADA. Go to eternal.io and create a new wallet. Click Create Add Wallet in the top left corner. You can simply purchase ADA within the wallet by clicking Buy ADA in the top right of your wallet page. And that's it. The first step is done. Note, there's a minimum spend here of around $30. If you don't want that much ADA, go to coinbase.com and create an account and purchase ADA there. If you use Coinbase, you'll need to send your purchased ADA to your Eternal wallet by clicking Send and Receive in the top right-hand corner of Coinbase. Select the asset you want to send in the menu, Cardano ADA, and enter your wallet receive address in the To field and click Continue. Ensure you've entered the correct receive address or your ADA will be lost forever. The advantage of doing everything in the Eternal wallet is you avoid all the faff of moving ADA around and the possibility of mistakes. So if you're new to crypto or Cardano, I suggest you buy your ADA directly in the wallet. Step 2. Click on Swap near the top middle of your wallet screen. You'll see the Swap Tokens page. Here, you'll swap your ADA just purchased for PUW tokens. Under Swap To, click to select and type PUW in the search box and then select. Select Swap and that's it. You now have the Pop-Up World PUW token in your wallet. Welcome aboard. This video is not financial advice and is created for educational purposes only. You should do your own research when investing in cryptocurrency or any other financial assets. Crypto can go down as well as up in value. The Pop-Up World token is designed specifically for entrepreneurs to store value and to utilize on our platform Pop-Up World. Join the revolution in financial freedom today. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the bad boy below if you find this video useful. Also, check out the links below for more info on Pop-Up World, the Pop-Up World token, and Pop-Up World staking. See you later.